Kunzite, a beautiful pink to lilac-colored variety of the mineral spodumene, forms under specific geological conditions, primarily within lithium-rich pegmatite deposits. Its formation begins deep within the Earth's crust, where extreme heat and pressure create a perfect environment for crystallization. The mineral typically emerges from granitic rocks and is often associated with other minerals like tourmaline, beryl, and micas. The color of kunzite is primarily due to trace amounts of manganese, which can create stunning hues ranging from delicate pastel pink to a more intense violet. The gem exhibits a unique pleochroism, meaning it can appear as different colors when viewed from various angles. This captivating optical phenomenon adds to its allure, making kunzite a favored choice among gem enthusiasts and jewelers alike. Kunzite has a distinct crystal structure, belonging to the monoclinic system, characterized by elongated crystals that can grow quite large. It typically forms prismatic crystals, which can reach impressive sizes, often measuring several centimeters in length. The quality of kunzite is determined by its color saturation, clarity, and size, with the most sought-after specimens being those that display vibrant color and transparency. The extraction of kunzite involves a complex mining process that begins with locating suitable deposits. Major kunzite mining operations are found in regions rich in lithium, particularly in Brazil, Afghanistan, and the United States. In Brazil, kunzite is primarily sourced from the state of Minas Gerais, where pegmatite veins host significant deposits. Afghanistan's Nuristan province is also known for producing high-quality kunzite crystals. Once a deposit is identified, miners employ various techniques to extract the mineral. Hard rock mining is the most common method, where large boulders of pegmatite are blasted and crushed to access the spodumene crystals. The extracted ore is then processed through crushing and milling to separate the kunzite from other minerals. After extraction, kunzite undergoes several stages of processing, including sorting, grading, and cutting. Skilled gem cutters work meticulously to enhance the crystal's natural beauty by shaping it into various faceted forms. The goal is to maximize color and brilliance while preserving the gem's integrity. Proper cutting is crucial, as it can significantly influence the stone's market value and appeal. While kunzite is prized for its natural beauty, various treatments and enhancements can be applied to improve its appearance. One common method involves heat treatment, which can intensify the pink or violet hues of the gem. This process is relatively accepted within the gemstone market and does not significantly affect the stone's value, as long as it is disclosed to potential buyers. Another enhancement technique includes oiling or applying a resin to fill in minor inclusions or fractures, enhancing clarity and overall aesthetics. This treatment is more common in lower quality stones, where improving clarity can significantly increase marketability. However, it is essential for sellers to disclose any treatments applied to the gemstone, as this transparency builds trust with customers. Kunzite can also be subjected to irradiation, which alters its color, although this practice is less common. Due to the potential effects of irradiation on a stone's stability and long-term color retention, such treatments must be handled with care and fully disclosed to consumers. The market demand for kunzite has seen significant growth in recent years, driven by increasing consumer interest in colored gemstones. Kunzite's striking colors and unique properties make it an attractive choice for jewelry designers and collectors. Its popularity is further fueled by the rise of social media and online platforms, where unique gemstones can reach a global audience. In terms of market value, kunzite pricing can vary widely depending on several factors, including color saturation, clarity, size, and origin. High-quality kunzite stones with vibrant colors and minimal inclusions can command premium prices, often ranging from $50 to $400 per carat. Larger stones, especially those exceeding 5 carats, can fetch even higher prices, depending on their overall quality and market trends. Kunzite's value is also influenced by its rarity and the availability of high-quality specimens. As mining operations continue, the availability of exceptional kunzite may become more limited, potentially driving up demand and market prices in the future. Collectors and investors are increasingly looking at kunzite as a viable option for diversifying their gemstone portfolios, further contributing to its market appeal. Beyond its aesthetic value, kunzite holds cultural and metaphysical significance in various traditions. Many believe that kunzite possesses healing properties and can promote emotional balance, love, and inner peace. This belief has contributed to its popularity in the wellness and holistic communities, where it is often used in meditation practices and crystal healing. Kunzite is also associated with the heart chakra, symbolizing love, compassion, and emotional healing. Jewelry featuring kunzite is often given as a meaningful gift to convey sentiments of love and affection, making it a popular choice for engagement rings and anniversary gifts. In addition to its use in jewelry, kunzite is sometimes incorporated into decorative items and art pieces. Its beautiful colors and unique crystal structures lend themselves to creative expressions, appealing to both gem enthusiasts and art collectors. The ongoing fascination with kunzite ensures its presence in various markets, ranging from high-end jewelry to holistic wellness, solidifying its place as a cherished gemstone across cultures and communities. Kunzite's geological significance extends beyond its beauty, as it serves as an indicator of specific geological processes. Its formation in lithium-rich pegmatite deposits is often associated with the late stages of magma crystallization. This process typically occurs in regions undergoing significant geological activity, providing valuable insights into the Earth's history and tectonic movements. Studying kunzite occurrences can help geologists understand the conditions under which these minerals form, contributing to broader knowledge of mineralogy and petrology. The geographical distribution of kunzite highlights its connection to certain tectonic settings. Besides Brazil and Afghanistan, kunzite deposits have been found in places like the United States, particularly in California and Maine. These regions have unique geological histories that have contributed to the formation of lithium-rich pegmatites, allowing for the growth of kunzite crystals. As demand for lithium increases, particularly for battery production, the mining of kunzite and similar minerals is likely to gain even more attention, further emphasizing its geological importance. Kunzite is also sometimes found in metamorphic rocks, showcasing its adaptability and resilience. The presence of kunzite in different geological settings indicates its potential to withstand various environmental conditions, making it an interesting subject for mineralogists studying the effects of metamorphism on mineral composition. The mining and extraction of kunzite, like many other minerals, can have significant environmental impacts. As demand for kunzite grows, mining operations must address the ecological consequences associated with their activities. The process of mining involves land clearing, which can lead to habitat destruction and loss of biodiversity in surrounding areas. Furthermore, the use of heavy machinery and chemicals in mining can contribute to soil and water contamination, posing risks to local ecosystems. Responsible mining practices are essential to mitigate these impacts. Sustainable mining initiatives focus on reducing environmental damage by implementing practices such as land reclamation, where disturbed land is restored to its natural state after mining operations are complete. Additionally, eco-friendly extraction techniques that minimize chemical use and protect water resources are gaining traction within the industry. The gemstone market is increasingly valuing ethically sourced materials, pushing miners and companies to adopt environmentally responsible practices. Buyers are becoming more conscious of the origins of the gemstones they purchase, leading to a growing demand for transparency in the mining process. This shift encourages kunzite miners to embrace sustainability and invest in methods that protect the environment while still meeting market needs. Kunzite's unique color palette and appealing visual characteristics make it a popular choice in contemporary jewelry design. Designers are increasingly incorporating kunzite into various styles, from classic settings to modern, innovative designs. Its versatility allows it to be used in earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and rings, appealing to a broad audience of consumers seeking unique pieces that stand out. Fashion trends also play a significant role in the popularity of kunzite. The rise of pastel and soft color palettes in jewelry aligns well with kunzite's delicate hues, making it a favorite among fashion-forward consumers. Designers are experimenting with pairing kunzite with other complementary gemstones, such as diamonds and sapphires, to create stunning contrasts and enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of the jewelry piece. Additionally, the trend toward personalized and meaningful jewelry has increased kunzite's desirability. As consumers seek pieces that resonate with their personal stories or emotions, kunzite's associations with love, compassion, and emotional healing make it an attractive option. Custom designs featuring kunzite are gaining traction, allowing buyers to express their individuality and personal connections through their jewelry choices. Kunzite is also becoming a favored gemstone for alternative engagement rings, as couples look for non-traditional options that reflect their unique styles. The growing awareness of ethical sourcing and sustainable practices in the jewelry industry further enhances Kunzite's appeal, positioning it as a thoughtful choice for conscientious consumers. Proper care and maintenance of Kunzite are crucial to preserve its beauty and longevity. Although Kunzite is relatively durable, ranking around 6.5 to 7 on the Mohs scale of hardness, it is still susceptible to scratches and damage from harsh chemicals. To maintain its luster, owners should handle Kunzite jewelry with care, avoiding exposure to extreme temperatures and direct sunlight, which can cause fading over time. Cleaning Kunzite requires gentle methods to avoid damaging the stone. It is advisable to use a soft, damp cloth to wipe away dirt and oils, while avoiding ultrasonic or steam cleaning, as these methods can weaken the stone. If deeper cleaning is necessary, a mild soap solution and a soft brush can be used, but rinsing thoroughly and drying with a soft cloth is essential to prevent residue buildup. Storing Kunzite jewelry properly is also important for maintaining its integrity. It is best to keep Kunzite pieces in a soft-lined jewelry box or pouch, separated from other gemstones to avoid scratches. When traveling, wrapping Kunzite in a soft cloth or placing it in a dedicated jewelry case can protect it from potential damage. Being aware of Kunzite's sensitivity to sudden temperature changes is crucial, especially for those who wear their jewelry regularly. Taking off Kunzite rings or bracelets before engaging in activities that may expose them to harsh conditions, such as swimming or heavy exercise, will help ensure their lasting beauty. As the gemstone market evolves, the future of Kunzite appears promising. Growing interest in colored gemstones, particularly among younger consumers, is driving demand for unique and aesthetically pleasing options like Kunzite. As these consumers seek distinctive pieces to express their individuality, Kunzite's beauty and emotional significance are likely to resonate strongly. Moreover, the increasing emphasis on sustainability and ethical sourcing within the gemstone industry will impact the market for Kunzite. Consumers are more inclined to support brands that prioritize responsible mining practices and transparency. Miners and jewelers who adapt to these changing expectations will likely gain a competitive edge in the market. The ongoing exploration of Kunzite deposits worldwide may also contribute to its future availability and pricing. As new sources are discovered, the potential for larger, high-quality Kunzite specimens could arise, leading to greater interest from collectors and investors. Furthermore, innovations in mining technology may improve extraction processes, making Kunzite mining more efficient and environmentally friendly. In summary, Kunzite holds a multifaceted position in the gemstone market, combining geological significance, aesthetic appeal, and emotional resonance. As trends in jewelry design and consumer preferences continue to shift, Kunzite is poised to remain a beloved choice for both jewelry enthusiasts and those seeking meaningful connections through gemstones.